triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, where angle A corresponds to angle D, and angles C and F are right angles. The length of AB is 2.9 times the length of DE. If tan A equals 21 over 20, what is the value of sine D? So this is a very, very straightforward question if you know this rule. If figures are similar, all their trig functions are exactly the same. So the key word here being these two figures are similar. That means sine, cosine, tangent, and even the inverse functions, which are like cosecant, secant, and cotangent, those are all the same for angles that are corresponding. So for instance, we're told that angle A corresponds to angle D. Angle A is over here, angle D is over here. That means the tangent of angle A is the same as the tangent of angle D. So for this question, knowing that rule means that you don't actually have to do any math. The tangent of A is equal to tangent of D and all the other trig functions. Now this question really asks for sine D, so there's just a tiny little bit of math we need to do here. So sine of angle A must equal to the sine of angle D. So let's unpack this. If you're given tangent of angle A as 21 over 20, that means 21 is the side opposite to angle A and 20 is the side adjacent to angle A. So we can actually come over here and say opposite to A is 21, adjacent to angle A is 20, meaning we can figure out sine. Remember, sine involves using this little saying, opposite over hypotenuse. So we need to figure out the hypotenuse over here using Pythagorean theorem, right? So 20 squared plus 21 squared equals c squared. C is the hypotenuse. So 20 squared is 400 plus 21 squared is 441. When you add these together, you get c squared. So this is going to be 841 equals c squared. Now you need to take the square root of 841 and you find that that is, so square root here and here, and that once again is c equals 29. So we know the hypotenuse of the bigger triangle is 29. Now we were told that we need to figure out the sine of D, right? So sine A equals sine D. What is sine A? Sine of angle A is opposite over hypotenuse. That means sine D has the same value, 21 over 29. That's it. Boom, shakalaka.